Hello guys, welcome to EduForest. Today we will solve question number 14 of exercise 15.1 from chapter 15 CBSE class 10 math. The question is one card is drawn from a well shuffled deck of 52 cards. Find the probability of getting a king of red color, a face card, a red face card, the jack of hearts, a spade, the queen of diamonds. Now guys, before solving this type of problem, you should have a clear idea, a complete idea, you can say a complete idea about playing cards. How many cards are there total, then what are the different types of colors present in a pack of cards, then how many cards of each color are present in a pack of cards, how many jacks are there, how many kings are there, how many queens are there, how many ashes are there. So everything you have to know. If you get that idea, then it will be easier for you to solve this type of problem. You can solve it in a quick time. That means you can do it within 2 seconds also. You can solve this question within 2 seconds. Each will take only 2 seconds to answer. Okay. So guys, let us discuss first about playing cards. Okay. Now guys, you know, in a pack of playing cards, there are total 52 cards. Okay. Now these 52 cards have been divided into two colors, black and red. So now I will represent these cards diagrammatically. Okay. Now, so there are total 52 cards are there. So we will divide it into two colors. One is black, another is red. Okay, black and red. You know, these 52 cards have been equally divided into black and red color. Okay. Now black color cards are how many? 26. So red is also 26. Okay. Now these black color cards are again divided into two types. What are they? One is spade. Okay. Second one is club. Okay. Now these black cards are also equally divided. That means spade is 13, club is also 13. You know what is the symbol of a spade? So spade symbol is like this. So this is the symbol of spade. Now club. So this is the symbol of club. Okay. In red also, red is also divided into two types. Okay, one is heart and another is diamond. Another is diamond. Okay. Now heart is also, since this red cards are also equally divided into two types, heart 13 in color in numbers and diamond is also 13. Okay. Now you know, all of you must have know this one, that what is the symbol of heart. So this is the symbol of heart and diamond. So this is the symbol of diamond. Okay. Now first of all we will discuss about black, then we will discuss about red. Okay. Now out of these 13 spades, okay, so there are 13 number of spades. Out of these 13 spades, the first one is called ace. First card is called as ace. So do you know what is the symbol of a ace? So in a card it is represented as like this, A. So the letter A is written on the top left corner and on the bottom right corner. Okay. So this is the presentation of ace in a playing card. Okay. Now second card from 2 to 10. From second card to 10th card, that is 2 to 10. So they are called number cards. They are called number cards. Why they are called number cards? Because a number is generally written on this cards. Okay, a number is written like this one. Suppose this is a card, 2 is written like this, or 3 is written, okay, or 10 is written like this. Okay, so that is why they are called number cards. Then 11th card, out of the 13, the 11th card is known as Jack. Okay, so this is Jack and is represented like this. In the card it is represented like this, J. Okay, then 12th card is known as Queen. So Queen is represented like this. Suppose this is a card and Q is written. Okay, then 13th card is King. Okay, so it is represented like this. Suppose this is a card and it is represented like with the letter K. Okay, so in this way 13 cards are represented in spade. Similarly, 13 cards are represented in club, 13 cards are represented in heart, 13 cards of diamonds are also represented in this way. So each type of cards, spade, club, heart, diamond, all are represented in this form. Okay, there is one S in each type of, here I have written 4 types of cards are present in a pack of cards: spade, club, heart, diamond. Okay, now each type of cards, that is out of these 13, one is S and 2 to 10 are number cards. 11th card is Jack, 12th card is Queen, then 13th card is King, which are represented like this. Similarly, in all the other types of cards, these types, they are all the 13 cards in each type of cards are represented in this form also. Okay, so that means if one is as from spade, that means club is also had one as, heart is also one as, diamond is also had an as. So that means there are 4 asses. But in black there is only one as from spade, one as from club, and similarly in red one as from heart, one as from diamond. Okay, so in this way there are 4 asses from different types of cards. Okay, then from 2 to 10, that is number cards. How many number cards are there? 2 to 10, that is 9. Okay, 9 number of cards are there from 2 to 10. Okay, that means in spade there are 9 number of number cards, in club 9 number of number cards, heart is also contains 9 number of number cards, and diamond also contains 9. Okay, now then comes to Jack. Jack, only one Jack is present in spade. Similarly in club one Jack present. Similarly in heart, in diamonds, one Jack is present in each type. Okay, similarly Queen, one Queen is present in each type of cards. That means there are 4 queens. Okay, 2 from black, 2 from red. Okay, similarly King, there are 4 kings, 1 king from each type. Okay, spade 1 king, club also have 1 king, heart 1 king, diamond 1 king. So that means there are 4 kings. Out of these 4, 2 are black and 2 are red in color. Okay, now guys, we will solve the question, 14 number question, bit 1. Okay, what is the question? Find the probability of getting a king of red color. You know there are 4 number of kings. Okay, out of these 4, 2 are black in color, 2 are red in color. Okay, so we have to find out the probability of getting a king of red color. Okay, so write down here, let A be the event of getting a king of red color. Okay, then number of outcomes, favorable to A is equal to how many? 2, since 2 kings are red in color. Now total number of outcomes, total number of possible outcomes. Total number of possible outcomes is equal to how many? 52. Okay. Total card is 52. So out of these 52, he has to pick out one card. That means he may pick any card from the pack of 52 cards. So there is possibility of selecting each card. So that means 52 cards are. So that means he can select one card out of 52 cards in 52 ways. So total number of possible outcomes is 52. So now probability of A, of this event A. Okay. Since we have taken A is the event, so probability of this event A, that is getting a king of red color, is how many? Number of favorables by total number of possible outcomes. So favorable is 2, possible is 52. So 2 by 52. So 1 by 26. So this is our answer. Okay. Now we will solve bit 2 of question number 14. The question is what? What is the probability of getting a face card? Now you know there are 3 face cards. Just recall, there are 3 face cards: Jack, Queen, King in each type of card. In club, spade and diamond and heart. In each type of card there are 3 face cards in each type of cards. So that means total number of cards is face cards is 12. Okay. So write down, let B be the event of getting a face card. Okay. Then number of outcomes. Number of outcomes favorable to B, to this event B, number of outcomes favorable. That means how many cards can be drawn in which we can get a face card. So there are total number of cards, face cards is 12. So that means he may pick out one card from these 12 cards in 12 different ways. Means he can select any card out of these 12 in 12 different ways. So number of outcomes favorable is 12. Okay. Now total number of cards, that is total number of outcomes you can say. So total number of possible outcomes is equal to 52. Now probability of B will be how much? 12 by 52. Okay. Now if we cancel by 4, so this is 3 and this is 13. Okay. So this is 3 by 13. So this is your answer. Now we will solve bit 3 question. Okay. Now what is the question? Find the probability of getting a red face card. You know there are total how many face cards are there? 12. Out of which 6 are from black and 6 are from red. Okay. So you write down here, let F be the event of getting a red face card. Okay. So then number of favorable, outcomes to F, event F is how many? 6. Okay. 6 are red in color. 6 face cards are red in color. Okay. Now total number of outcomes, possible outcomes you write down. Total number of possible outcomes is equal to 52. So probability of F is equal to 6 by 52. So if you will cancel with 2, you will get 3 by 26. Okay. So this is our answer. Now guys, we will solve bit 4. Okay. Now what is the question? Find the probability of getting the jack of hearts. You know there are 13 cards of hearts. Out of these 13, one is jack, one is queen, one is king, 9 are number cards, and one as is present. Okay. Now, so there is only one jack. So you write down here, let J be the event of getting the jack of hearts. Okay, then number of favorable outcomes to the event J is 1, and total number of outcomes. So total number of possible outcomes is equal to 52. So probability of J is equal to 1 by 52. Okay, so this is the answer. Now guys, we will solve bit 5. Okay. Now what is the question? Find the probability of getting a spade. You know, in spade there are 13 number of cards. That means 13 number of cards are spades. Okay. So write down, let S be the event of getting a spade. Okay. Then number of favorable outcomes, number of favorable outcomes to event S is how many? 13. Okay. So total number of possible outcomes is 52. Then probability of S is 13 by 52. So this is 1 by 4, it will cancel by 13. Okay. Then 6, bit 6. The bit 6 is find the probability of getting the queen of diamonds. You know, in every type of cards there is only one queen. Okay. In spade there is one queen, in club there is one queen, in diamond also there is one queen, heart also one queen. So that means in diamond there is only one queen. So you write down, let Q be the event of getting the queen of diamonds. Queen of diamonds. Okay. Then number of favorable outcomes to event Q is how many? 1. Then total number of possible outcomes is 52. So probability of Q is equal to 1 by 52. Okay. Number of favorable by total number of possible outcomes. So 1 by 52. So this is our answer. In this way you can solve this type of questions.